coming up lately that I really want to address. When you are dealing with really deep-seated patterns, any kind of pattern in your body that has been stuck for years, when you're trying to undo those patterns and replace them with more optimal movement patterns, one of the very, very easiest things you can do is simply start doing things on the opposite side from the side that you normally do them on. So some of those things are really obvious, like if you're always carrying your heavy bag on one side or you're always carrying your child on one side, that's pretty obvious. That's going to create an imbalance. So you want to make sure you're, of course, switching it up. Using the other side to carry your bag or your child. But it's even smaller things, like when you are getting dressed in the morning, which arm do you put through the sleeve first? Most of us have been doing the same arm through the sleeve first since we learned to get dressed as toddlers. Same thing with the pants. You stand on one leg, you slip your leg in the other. Try reversing it. If you're normally putting your right leg in first, put your left leg in first. Other examples, when you're driving, even if you have both hands on the wheel, chances are one side is actually still leading. So check in with that and notice which side is doing most of the work. A big one for me is scrolling. So obviously if I'm typing or doing a lot of quick work, I'm going to use my dominant hand because it's better at doing everything. But when I'm doing like research or I'm reading or scrolling through, I'm not doing a lot of typing, I will often switch hands and scroll with my left hand. It's very awkward, but it actually really takes the pressure off that whole line up the arm into the neck. So I'm sure you can think of other examples for yourself of things that you do, brushing your teeth, eating. Those ones are hard because you're usually trying to get through them quick. So it does take longer to do things on your non-dominant side, but you'll find that the more you do that, the more you're starting to undo that really deep-seated pattern, and that's paving the way then for you to replace that pattern with a more balanced, optimal pattern. So that's my quick tip for the day. Thanks.